Coming up in this Brightline construction update. This update provides a quick look at the progress on the Orlando line. Brightline's Orlando line runs from the Orlando station at Orlando International Airport to Cocoa, where it joins into the Florida East Coast Railway main line to Miami. There hasn't been much visible change on the western end of the line, so we will start near Innovation Way and the connection to the OUC CSX Stanton Rail line. The track work in this area is essentially complete, with the tracks fully ballasted. To the west, the tracks are fully constructed all the way to the airport and tied in. Most of the work is currently focused to the east. The connection is remaining busy with ballast deliveries. These cars will be dropped on the east end of the line on freshly built track. Once construction is complete, this connection to the OUC CSX Stanton Rail line will be removed and only a short siding will remain for maintenance-of-way purposes. We'll now move on to Dallas Boulevard. The last time I was here, the rail had just been threaded across the bridge, but no ties or ballast was in place. Now the track has been constructed, and even the first load of ballast has been dropped. This area still needs to be regulated and tamped before a second load of ballast can be dropped. The track and ballast continues east towards State Road 520. The bridge here is essentially complete, with the structure now painted. We'll now head towards State Road 520. The new track is visible while driving on State Road 528. Now in the air at 520, and you can see the skeletonized track running across the bridge. Crews are working on finishing touches for the bridge, including painting it. Here's a flight across the bridge. An initial layer of ballast was placed on the bridge before the track was built. The skeletonized track continues east for a couple of miles. We'll finish with a drive on the 528 east to Cocoa, which was filmed on July 31st, 2022. About 3 weeks after the rest of this video is filmed. By this point, the first drop of ballast had been completed on the track here at the bottom of the 520 ramp. The ballasting currently ends here. The skeletonized track ends in this general area behind the wall. Ties are staged here in anticipation for the remaining rail to be delivered. The remaining right-of-way is ready for track to be built. The St. Johns River bridges have had an initial layer of ballast spread across the spans. Rail from the train delivered to Cocoa earlier in July is staged up to around here. Ties and equipment are staged here. This is the current end of the tie placement from the east. The track is skeletonized over Interstate 95. We are crossing the arch panel tunnel now. We'll now jump over to the Industry Road on-ramp to drive west toward 95 to see the remaining portion of the line, which is built on the north side of the 528. The ballasting ends here currently. The track is skeletonized all the way through the arch panel tunnel, which we are crossing now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.